Terraria showing a black screen on startup usually means the game is failing to initialize properly. This can be due to several reasons, most commonly issues with your graphics drivers, conflicts with mods, system incompatibility, corrupted game files, or overzealous antivirus software. We'll explore how to diagnose and address each of these potential causes in this video. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a primary cause of black screens in Terraria. The game relies on DirectX or OpenGL to render graphics, and when these drivers are incompatible or outdated, the screen may fail to display properly. To fix this, visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card. Depending on whether you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, go to their respective websites and download the latest drivers specifically for your operating system. When installing the drivers, be sure to perform a clean install. This option removes any corrupted files from previous installations that might be causing conflicts. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. This ensures the new drivers are properly loaded and any cached data is cleared. Remember that Terraria uses DirectX or OpenGL for rendering, so having up-to-date drivers ensures compatibility with the game's graphics engine. If you're using Tmod Loader and mods, they could be conflicting with the game or each other, especially after a Terraria update. Start by launching Terraria without Tmod Loader to isolate the problem. If Terraria launches fine without Tmod Loader, the issue is likely with the mod loader. Launch Tmod Loader but disable all mods first to see if it works. Once Tmod Loader works without mods, re-enable them one at a time. After enabling each mod, launch the game to test. Identify the mod that causes the black screen. Finally, make sure your mods are compatible with the current version of Terraria and Tmod Loader. Check for updates to mods in Tmod Loader and remove or replace any that are outdated. Corrupted or missing game files can prevent Terraria from starting properly. Game file verification is a built-in tool that checks for and repairs these issues. Files can become corrupted due to incomplete downloads, disk errors, or interference from antivirus software. When Terraria tries to load these damaged files, it fails and shows a black screen. In Steam, first open your library and find Terraria. Right-click the game, select Properties, then navigate to Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to start the process. Steam will scan your game files and download any missing or corrupted ones. This process can take several minutes, depending on your internet speed. For GOG Galaxy users, open the app and select Terraria. Click the settings icon next to the game, choose Manage, then select Verify Repair to fix any file issues. GOG will check and repair your game files automatically. This ensures Terraria has all the necessary components to start properly. Once the verification is complete, restart Terraria to see if the black screen issue is resolved. Terraria might have trouble running with certain operating system settings. To fix this, right-click the Terraria executable file in the game's installation folder and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. First, locate the terraria.exe file in your game installation folder. This is usually in your Steam Games directory. Right-click on terraria.exe and select Properties, then click on the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 7 or Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Also, check the box for Run this program as an administrator to give the game the necessary permissions. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Antivirus or firewall software can sometimes block Terraria from launching properly. To fix this, you'll need to add the game files to the exceptions list in your security software. First, check your antivirus settings. Popular programs like Bitdefender have specific sections for managing exceptions. Look for the Antivirus Settings panel where you can add safe applications. Next, configure Windows Firewall. Go to the Firewall settings and allow Terraria to communicate through both private and public networks. You'll see a list of applications with checkboxes to enable permissions. The key files to add are terraria.exe, which is the main game executable, and tmodloader.exe if you're using mods. These files are typically located in your Steam installation folder. To test if this resolves the black screen issue, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Try launching the game, and if it works, the antivirus was the culprit. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately after testing. Ensure your system meets Terraria's minimum requirements. The game needs at least 4 gigabytes of RAM to run smoothly and handle memory operations. Additionally, your graphics card must support Shader Model 2.0 or higher for proper rendering. Close unnecessary background programs before launching Terraria, as they consume system resources and may cause conflicts. Also, avoid running other graphically intensive applications simultaneously, which could compete for GPU and RAM resources needed by the game. If the previous steps didn't resolve the black screen issue, turn to community resources for more specific solutions. Check the official Terraria forums and the r/Terraria subreddit, where players share detailed troubleshooting experiences. Steam discussions often contain user-reported fixes that match your exact setup. Relogic's official website offers additional support resources and developer insights. When seeking help, provide detailed information about your system specifications, error messages, and steps you've already tried. This helps the community give more targeted assistance.